ஓம் ஸ்ரீ குருப்யோ நமஹ. ஹரிஹி ஓம்.
இலை, புஷ்பம், பழம், தண்ணீர் இவை எதையேனும் யார் பக்தியுடன் சமர்ப்பிக்கிறாரோ அதில் நான் திருப்தியடைகிறேன். நேர்மையற்ற பக்தியை நான் ஏற்பதில்லை. இறையருள் கீதை.
ஓம் ஸ்ரீ குருப்யோ நமஹ. கன்யா ராசி. உத்தர ஃபால்குனி நக்ஷத்திர செகண்ட், தேர்ட் அண்ட் ஃபோர்த் பாத, ஹஸ்தா நக்ஷத்திர and Chitra Nakshatra first and second pada. Saturn and Jupiter are coming to the Anujanma Nakshatra of Kanya Rashi. Though you are expected to spend more, you will also get sufficient returns. Improvement in trading, other buying and selling activities is seen. Reuniting with old friends will be beneficial. Your enemies will also become your friends. Business and employment opportunities are seen to be good. Uttara Phalguni Nakshatra, second, third and fourth pada. Kanya Rashi. For people born in Uttara Phalguni Nakshatra, second, third and fourth pada, Saturn and Jupiter are coming to the Anujanma Nakshatra. Take care of your health. More expenses and excessive travel will occur. Avoid unnecessary travel. Avoid arguments with family and friends and do not hurt their feelings. Health. There may be some unexpected medical expenses. Please be prepared. Do regular exercises and yoga to keep the mind and body fit. Maintain a restricted diet plan to lead a healthy life. Education. Good improvement is seen in studies. Do meditation and yoga for having good memory power and IQ. Work. Expect promotion in your office. Maintain the same good rapport that you have earned with your colleagues and superiors. Business. People involved in hotels, fast food, provision stores, vegetable shop businesses will get good profit. Returns from share market is moderate and good. Agriculture. A very good time for the farmers. New experiments will also be beneficial. Court cases. A delayed win is seen. Be bold and win the cases with God's blessings. Fine arts. People in the field of fine arts will see a stable progress and achieve good name and fame in their respective fields. House. Be more careful when you buy house. After 12 months, time is favorable for buying a new house. Land. Please be careful and do not indulge in buying or selling of land. Vehicle. Do not buy any new vehicles. Please be careful while you travel. Marriage. Please start marriage initiatives only after 6 months upon worshipping your family deity. Worship of family deity is prime and extremely important. Without worshipping family deity, worship of any other deity will not be fruitful. People born in Uttara Phalguni Nakshatra, second, third and fourth pada should worship Lord Vishnu, Ayyanar and Ardhanarishwara and seek their blessings for good fortune. Uttara Phalguni Nakshatra Moola Mantra and Uttara Phalguni Nakshatra Gayatri Mantra. Both these mantras are required to be recited 108 times or 36 times daily for good fortune. Uttara Phalguni Nakshatra Moola Mantra. Om Aim Hrim Shrim Vam Sram Mam Uttara Phalguni Nakshatra Adhipaya Bhagaya Namaha. Uttara Phalguni Nakshatra Gayatri Mantra. Om Mahabhagayai Vidmahe Mahasreshthayai Dhimahe Tanna Uttara Phalguni Prachodayat. Hasta Nakshatra, Kanya Rashi. For people born in Hasta Nakshatra, Saturn and Jupiter are coming to the 9th place. There is a good chance of getting a small share from your ancestral property. Avoid talking unwanted topics with your family members and maintain a steady pace at work. Ensure there is no space for unnecessary conflicts. Health. Health aspects are seen to be progressively good. Do regular exercises and yoga to keep the body and mind fit. Maintain a restricted diet plan to lead a healthy life. Education. Good improvement is seen in students. Students will excel in the examinations. Do meditation and yoga for having good memory power and IQ. Work. Good progress is seen as a payoff for your continuous hard work. Business. People involved in businesses like vegetables, textiles, electrical and electronics will get good profit. Returns from share market are extremely good. Agriculture. Grains will yield less profit. However, all other crops will give good profit. It is advisable to harvest fruits and vegetables to see a good turnover. Court cases. All your enemies will be defeated and a complete success can be seen. Be confident. Fine arts. People in fine arts will see a good progress. They will achieve good name and fame in their respective fields. House. Time is favorable, but you will have to face a few struggles. Land. Selling of land will be beneficial. However, buying of land will have moderate success. Be proactive. Vehicle. Time is good for buying new vehicles. Apart from black, choose any other color for getting good fortune. Marriage. Please start marriage initiatives only after 3 months. Worship of family deity is prime and extremely important. Without worshipping family deity, worship of any other deity will not be fruitful. People born in Hasta Nakshatra should worship Gayatri, Garuda and Nrisimha and seek their blessings for good fortune. Hasta Nakshatra Moola Mantra and Hasta Nakshatra Gayatri Mantra. Both these mantras are required to be recited 108 times or 36 times daily for good fortune. Hasta Nakshatra Moola Mantra. Om Aim Hrim Srim Sam Ham Prem Hasta Nakshatra Adhipaya Savitre Namaha. Hasta Nakshatra Gayatri Mantram. Om Pragachadayai Vidmahe Pragribhnitayai Dhimahe Tanno Hastaf Prachodayat. Chitra Nakshatra, first and second pada, Kanya Rashi. For people born in Chitra Nakshatra, first and second pada, Saturn and Jupiter are coming to the 8th place. Opportunities for proving yourself is seen. Excessive travel will fetch good name and fame. There will be small confusions in family matters. But do not worry. It will get resolved after 12 months. Health. There may be some unexpected medical expenses, but do not worry. Your health will become stable. Do regular exercises and yoga to keep the body and mind fit. Maintain a restricted diet plan to lead a healthy life. Education. Students might feel a sudden pressure and can undergo development disorder. Do not fear. Do meditation and yoga for having good memory power and IQ. Constantly pray to Goddess Saraswati. Work. There seems to be a good opportunity for improvement. After 10 months, there are chances for getting promotion. Be confident. Business. People involved in businesses will have a steady progress. Be proactive. Returns from share market will be very moderate. So be extremely careful before making any investments. Agriculture. Except fruits and vegetables, all other crops will yield good profit. Court cases. Though invisible enemies will pose a challenge, final judgment will be completely favorable. So do not lose hope. Fine arts. There will be confusion among artists of the same field. However, after 8 months, you will see a steady improvement in your respective field. House. Time is favorable to buy a house only after 6 months. Please be patient. Land. It is extremely a good time for buying or selling of land. Vehicle. Time is good for buying new vehicles. Apart from white, choose any other color for getting good fortune. Marriage. Please start marriage initiatives after 6 months. Worship of family deity is prime and extremely important. Without worshipping family deity, worship of any other deity will not be fruitful. People born in Chitra Nakshatra, first and second pada, should worship Durga, Lakshmi and Saraswati and seek their blessings for good fortune. Chitra Nakshatra Moola Mantra and Chitra Nakshatra Gayatri Mantra. Both these mantras are required to be recited 108 times or 36 times daily for good fortune. Chitra Nakshatra Moola Mantra. Om Aim Hrim Shrim Dram Dvam Shrim Chitra Nakshatra Adhipaya Tvashtre Namaha. Chitra Nakshatra Gayatri Mantra. Om Mahatvashtaye Vidmahe Prajarupaye Dhimahe Tanno Chaitrah Prachodayat. A request to all the 12 Rashi people. For those who are not aware of your family deity, please consult with family elders and know them. If it is not known, worship your favorite god and seek their blessings. We all tend to carry out all the remedies prescribed by expert astrologers, but still a few of us are facing hardships. Whatever dharma and worship we do, that will definitely yield good result. This birth is a result of the deeds that we have done in the previous births as per the Shastra. Hence, do not be lethargic and lose hope. We are required to follow dharma and work sincerely with pure devotion to achieve success in life. Help others who are in need. Have a good and positive circle of people around you always. Respect elders in your family, guru, and other worshipful people, without which no pariharam or prayashchittam will be effective.